What's up, guys? Welcome again to Orkiza Garage, and what's up to my supporters, subscribers, and what's up to the fellow DIY out there and YouTubers. So today I'm working on my project car 96 Honda Coupe. I'm just gonna install this one. It's a quick one. It's a front and rear strut bar. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the link on the description too. I get it from DC Sports right here. So right now I'm just gonna start working on it slowly because I'm trying to build a truck car, the budget one. Alright, so let's get it on. Just gonna cut the thigh, and then I'm gonna look which one is the front. I think the longest one is for the front. Okay. So I get this one last year when there's a deal. I think it's the Black Friday. Alright, so it's a quick one. It's only two bolts each side. So I'm gonna also check what's the torque on that one on my old data. Alright guys, so the upper bolts are 32 foot-pounds, and then on the rear is 47 foot-pounds. Oh no, I'm sorry, this on the front. So upper, I'm only going to unbolt the upper bolt. It's only 32. Sorry about that. 32 foot-pounds. Alright. Then trying to get all the wrap. And then there's a letter, so I'll check that too later on, and then they'll get you the decals. I'm gonna put that on my toolbox. Alright guys, so the longer one I think is on the back, and then the little bit shorter one, and then the one with the curve is on the front. Okay, here. Alright, also if you're installing your strut bar, you have to be on the flat surface, so you have all the, so it's not tilt, it's just like flat like that. So only two bolts right here, two bolts down there on the upper strut mount. Alright, that's it. So this before without the strut bar. Guys, there are 14. And then loosen the other one too. Guys, trying to get this one. Get the bolts rolling. 32 foot-pounds. Why the other one doesn't click. Okay. Okay. I guess that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna go back to the trunk. For the trunk, same thing, same procedure. Let me just set. Okay. Install both of them. Same thing. Then you need the 3-inch extension. And I'm gonna check what's the torque on that one. Okay, so each to the back. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Got it. So the back are 36. 36 foot-pounds. Alright, there we go. And here's what it looks like on the trunk. Very simple. So I'm gonna try to guide the car. Take up the rear seat, some panels, all the floor mat. I'm gonna take it off and then clean this one and start building for the truck budget. Alright guys, that's it. So thank you for like and support for watching my video.